Not only is the kitchen the center of the house, but it's also where comfort, style, and nostalgia all come together. The warmth of home-cooked meals and the elegance of bygone eras are combined in a rustic farmhouse country kitchen. Imagine classic hardwood cabinetry, vintage accents, and organic finishes that add character to every nook and cranny. This video will walk you through how to design a kitchen that is both aesthetically pleasing and useful. The layout of your kitchen is the blueprint for its rustic charm. A well-thought-out design ensures flow, functionality, and beauty. Open concept or cozy nook? Decide based on your space and vibe. Use natural materials, exposed wooden beams, stone countertops, and vintage flooring. Incorporate zones, dedicated areas for cooking, prepping, and gathering. More than just a room, your ideal rustic farmhouse antique kitchen is a nostalgic, charming, and cozy experience. Every element, from organic materials to appliances with a nod to the past, demonstrates the classic appeal of rustic design. If you enjoyed these suggestions, please remember to subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss*. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's keep designing homes that feel like home. Rustic kitchens thrive on the beauty of natural materials. Think reclaimed wood beams, stone countertops, and weathered finishes that whisper stories of time gone by. These textures create warmth, making your kitchen feel lived in and inviting. Forget sleek, modern designs. Opt for shaker-style cabinets or those with visible grains, distressed finishes, and classic cup handles. Open shelving with rustic wood tones can showcase vintage crockery or mason jars filled with dried goods. Subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss* for more inspiring home ideas, and don't forget to like this video if you're ready to bring this cozy country charm into your life.